Let's talk about errors and omissions insurance. This is what protects you, the notary, whether you did something wrong or not. The difference is if you did something wrong, you have to pay it back. Surety bonds do not protect you in any way, shape, or form. You do have to have it to become a notary, and that's what protects the public. Basically, it tells the public that you have $10,000 in case they sue you, and then you have to pay that back. But let's talk about errors and omissions insurance when it can kick in. There are times when people will contest the signatures or the notarization on a document. And that might be a will, it might be a power of attorney. Those are the most common things that are going to be contested. It could also be corporate agreements. So you need to make sure that you are issuing the oath if the notarial block calls for it. You need to make sure you are assessing awareness and that you have the witnesses present while you're assessing awareness so they can back you up on that. If anybody says, hey, we're going to court, you know that the witnesses were there listening to you ask all of those assessing questions, which we covered in another video, and that they heard it, and then they're signing saying that they heard it. So you're not going to get called from court. Usually you're going to get called by the signer or the person who actually got power of attorney or somebody, they're contesting it. One way or the other, you're going to get a phone call. Immediately say, thank you for letting me know. I will contact my insurance and I will be back in touch with you after my lawyer advises me. Once you file a claim with your E&O insurance, they will advise you as to the best course of action, whether they take over, whether they meet you in court. Your errors and omissions insurance will cover you for any fines if you are given fines, but you're going to have to pay that back if you're found to be guilty. They will pay you for your time spent in court. I don't know how much because I haven't had to go, but just know that it does protect you. So you do have legal protections, and you want to call your E&O insurance first. You don't want to call a lawyer first to make sure that you're covered so that you know how to navigate the situation. It is not an overnight process. You're going to file the claim. You'll have to wait 1 to 3 days before you hear anything back. They will be back in touch with you. This is not a process to be rushed. So if the signer gets back with you and they're complaining that it's going too slow, let them know you're working on it and just keep going. Lawyer up is really what you're coming down to. You got to lawyer up.